And we are live. What's going on? It's Chris and Will from LifterLMS, and you know what day it is. It's Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. Today, we're going to be looking at the powerful WooCommerce integration for LifterLMS and how to unify the LifterLMS student dashboard experience with the WooCommerce account dashboard experience. Basically, what happens when you use the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration is that you get a combined dashboard with all the links on the side. So a student has one account page for all their WooCommerce orders and all the e-commerce related activities and all the LMS related items for the student dashboard access, like my courses, my certificates, my notebook, and so on. Will's going to take us on a tour today. So if you're into using WooCommerce for selling, but you want to use the best free learning management system for WordPress, LifterLMS, and combine those two tools together, we're going to show you how to do the dashboard and give your students a great experience. Over to you, Will.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay, awesome. So here is my demo site. This is an interface a lot of LifterLMS users might be familiar with if they've done our $1 demo on the website, but your website looks something like this, especially if you're using the SkyPilot theme. So we're used to seeing the traditional LifterLMS student dashboard, right? And this is how we access our content, and this is where we log in. But when we install WooCommerce, our site goes to another level because we have all kinds of other pages that are now on our website, right? We have our cart, we have our checkout through WooCommerce, we have our My Account page. We're going to be talking about the My Account page today and how LifterLMS seamlessly integrates with it if you are selling with WooCommerce to make that course experience work with WooCommerce very well. So the requirements for this setup are the free LifterLMS plugin, the free WooCommerce plugin, and the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration. I think that's available in all the packages at LifterLMS, the Earth Bundle through Infinity Bundle. So whatever level you're at there, you'll be able to sell through this platform. And we do have some other content about the pros and cons of using WooCommerce. If you're going to go with a cart, if you're looking for tax integrations, if you're not looking for a cart, like there's some considerations. But if you know you're going to use WooCommerce, you know that you want a seamless integration. So LifterLMS settings integrations, we can find WooCommerce here on the list when we have that LifterLMS WooCommerce add-on installed. We check to enable the integration. A few other important settings we're not really talking about today, but here at the bottom is My Account Endpoints. What this does is really interesting. It takes the items from that LifterLMS student dashboard and it puts them on the WooCommerce dashboard directly, right? So let me show you what that looks like. This is the WooCommerce My Account page. It looks pretty similar to the dashboard page, right? Jumping back and forth, we've got our dashboard tab, but then all of these items are coming in from this LifterLMS integration right here. So if we don't need grades, we don't need groups, for example, let's cut those things off, save changes. On the WooCommerce end of things, we have groups and grades. Those will disappear here on reload. So those are gone. So I can customize which of the LifterLMS items show up on this page, right? And so if you are a LifterLMS user working with the notes extension, you might want the notes to also appear right there on your WooCommerce dashboard. So let's add notes in. So now I reloaded too fast. Notes. My notes is now on here, and this looks just like the LifterLMS student dashboard. It's just in WooCommerce. And so it makes a seamless experience because you don't want people going back and forth between two dashboards in most cases. They'll get confused. They'll be like, where do I manage my orders? Where do I manage my credit card? Where do I manage my courses? It's like, why are these two different pages? So we put them all in one page for you. And so if you are using LifterLMS and WooCommerce side by side, we recommend that you take this WooCommerce My Account page and swap it out in the menu for your dashboard. So you don't really need the dashboard to be as accessible. You just need the My Account page. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm in my SkyPilot theme. So the way that I'm going to edit my header, that little button that says dashboard, is I'm going to go into the full site editor. And then I'm going to go back to patterns. I'm going to look for header. And header is loading. So it looks like it is this one right here. I'm going to edit my header. And we see I have the dashboard. Just for symbolic purposes, we're going to change it to say My Account. And then we're also going to put the URL here, /My account. I'm going to copy that and drop in that link here, save changes. Let's go ahead and save my header. And then reload up here. So now we have this My Account page, and instead of going to the student dashboard page, it takes me to the WooCommerce My Account, and it has all of those LifterLMS items on it, as many or as few as you choose to include in the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration. A lot of reasons to use LifterLMS and WooCommerce side by side, but this is one of those ways that you can make it seamless for your users. But Chris, do you think we covered everything today, or is there anything I missed in the integration there?
You nailed it. I would just add that SkyPilot is fully integrated with WooCommerce, so all the product pages and templates that WooCommerce needs to check out. SkyPilot, our theme, has great design for that as well. So sometimes people start with native LifterLMS e-commerce and then they want to switch to WooCommerce, or they start with WooCommerce and they want to switch to LifterLMS native e-commerce for a simpler experience. Either way is possible. But that was a presentation on how to unify one dashboard to rule them all when you're using WooCommerce and LifterLMS together. That's it for this Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next video.